Guys with ease. I am Samayinde, and then I will be teaching you on how to trade forex with confidence and simplicity. In today's class, I want to show you exactly one of the pair I took on gold that almost blew my account, a small account off because I was actually intending to flip the account. I think what happened was just a complexity, it was just a normal market conditions and some behavioral patterns that often sometimes happens in the market that proves you otherwise, which does not invalidate your strategy or any means. Let me show you what I'm talking about so you can understand more better. That was on gold. Let me show you. That was on gold. Um, of course, you can remember the signal we roll out on gold. This smart setup I gave you guys that did about 20 pips. This one here, this did about 20 pips. This is about 20 pips already. This is about 20 pips. This is about 20 pips. So as at the time, let me show you. Let me explain further. My this thing was here. My trend line was just on here. After market did something like this, this was the ISI. Let me show you. This was the ISI we had ever had. Then we did what head and shoulder. And I told you that this is an head and shoulder pattern. This is shoulder. I told you guys that you can have as many shoulder as you want. So far you have just singularity or single head, it is valid for a reversal pattern. And market did reverse as well and then did a mongoose about 20 pips. So after then this is another high again, but this one is higher than this one. Am I correct? Good. Let me do my trend line. So this one is higher than this one is higher than this one, telling us that what this is a second higher to this one. Good. That is to say that the market is trying to what retest after this mongoose buy, trying to retest. This is showing a retest, though not a movement, not a trend movement, just a retest of this movement of this buy. Good. So after then it did something like this. Then furthermore, I came back to this lower and I saw some strong resistance around here too as well. Let me plot it for you. Yeah, this one. Yes. Yeah. This. Aha, good. I saw this resistance, first bounce, second bounce, and the third bounce. Remember, I used to tell you guys that what market can only bounce twice, and the fourth time it will definitely what? It will definitely break out, either break in or break out, or whichever one will definitely happen. So I saw that first bounce, second bounce, and third bounce. I knew that what this is gonna be a what? A sell, a short market. Aside from this being the overall high, the high circle to the high that you did, this is another level again. So this place seems to be a good level that market is rejecting, and I was more confident that okay, let's look into beyond the zone, let's look into the market. You know, I should tell you guys that beyond the zone, you will also look into the candlestick patterns that will confirm for you that I'm ready to short or buy. I should tell you that you must be learn to always interpret what is called candlesticks. So the interpretation of the candlesticks, what will help you to make your entering decisions and you can execute. So I looked into my 1 hour, I saw this candlestick confirmation that is showing a reversal pattern. Of course, on 1 hour time frame, then I was more confident that what if you can have a bounce here, one, two, and then three. This is not the then the fourth time is gonna be a breakout. So I was reading that this you should come back to this point. Then I place my shots around here. I got my entry somewhere around here. I got my entry somewhere around here. I was already in profit while the market was moving. My stop loss was 68. Yes, my stop loss was 60. Yeah, I got my entry around here. I was hoping that this market will stop something around here. Just 1 to 2. Yes. So unfortunately, I came to 30 minutes to confirm to see very clearly. At first, I was waiting for it to break below this trend like level, and I will enter. I just felt well, it's gonna break it. It's gonna break this. Let me enter. I enter some position here, open to enter more positions when it break below this place, and then further goes. So unfortunately for me, market did a huge retest. I was thinking, okay, the retest one gonna last. I'm gonna start here, just like this, just like this small one we had so on here. Yeah, this small one. We had a small list here. Good. I was hoping that this retest just retest at this point, then go back again, start moving. Immediately it got here, I was thinking there's going to be a reaction. Now, whatever it took this away, it's coming back to this equal. And if it cannot stop at this place, definitely, if you can break it, definitely what it's now a buy market. It will no longer be valid for sale. Immediately I saw this breakout, I was like, oh my god, break this and they took me out at this point. And I was so surprised about this trade. So surprised. Candlestick was confirming, market structure was confirming, some other things are confirming. So that is one of the things I want to tell you about this market. That sometimes you have to be right. Just that's why you don't always advise about keep in risk management. This was just a market, just the market conditions that just happened. Might have been probably due to anything happens, probably the big ball, anything that happened and then push that stuff up. Because on the norms, this kind of setup, if I have to see it again, 10 out of, I'll pick it up 7, 8 out of 10 times. I'll still pick it up and to sell. I'm still gonna be shorting. But I was so surprised how it took me out yesterday, and I was really shocked. Oh my God! Probably because of the beginning of the year, market is quite showing some waves of turbulence and some other things like that. Maybe. So I just want to put that out there. So of course you can learn something. Sometimes it's not about your strategy, and then don't try to keep moving from one strategy to another or thinking your strategy is not working. No, it is not. This kind of setup is quite good, and if I have to see it, I'll still pick it up for a shot. 8, 7 out of 10 times I was just simply shorting it, but it turned out to be otherwise. So that is quite the unfortunate thing about market. Not all the times you need to obey your strategy, and that doesn't invalidate your strategy. Okay, doesn't make your strategy less or your strategy so poor. It's just market behavior and then market conditions are playing around. Sometimes it happens like that. You just have to accept it and accept your loss and come back the next day to face it squarely again. Okay. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. Don't forget we have an inner circle in a private group on Telegram. You can find the link around this description video or ask for it. Our support will send it to you and join us on the inside, and let's do this together. We used to have signals as well, daily signals, everyday signals. This week we had about 18 signals. We lost 3 and we won 15. Last week, of course, I told you about our winning streak that happens throughout the year, last year, close to December 30th until we had a loss. So it has always been an amazing moment together, and let's do this and let's make money together. Why not join us on the inside and let's do this together? Don't forget, the sky is too wide, big, and enough for every one of us to fly and make money. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, and of course, let me know the pair that also that blew your own account off or your small account off for this week. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I hope you have a wonderful and amazing, profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.